Welcome to the Doug and Nikki channel. Today we're doing another product unboxing, a review, and a little explanation of how you can use it to make your videos better. Okay, so we started vlogging with GoPros, and we originally started with the Feotech G5, which honestly was terrible. It kept the image steady, but made a terrible audio noise. So we're done with this. Then we upgraded to their G6, which actually was much better. The gimbal worked great, there was no mechanical sound, but the problem was we wanted something bigger and better image quality for you for our vlogs, so we needed to upgrade. Nikki did a lot of really great research and decided to get the model which is called the Crane 2 as opposed to the Crane V2, because this is a truly new model which will carry up to 7 pounds, which works really well for our DSLRs. The other model doesn't carry as much weight on it, and we really wanted a heavy-duty unit that could support our really heavy cameras. Alright, let's open up the box and see what it comes with. It does not come with a knife, but you need a knife. Shoulder strap. Do this Casey style. Oh, look at that. Comes in a nice case with kind of like a faux carbon fiber kind of look. Let's see what's inside the case. There we go. Look at that. Alright, so for those of you who are new to the whole concept of a gimbal, basically it's a device which you put the camera on, and as I move around, it is nice and stable, and you guys don't get nauseous while you're watching our videos. So this one, as we said, is designed to carry a full bore DSLR camera on it up to 7 pounds. One of the upgrades which came with this unit as opposed to the other is a larger battery pack. It will now supposedly work for 18 hours. I've seen a video of them testing it and they say it works for 18 hours. We'll have to test it, we'll let you know. Alright, well let's just talk about some of the basics. This is the platform where the camera sits. This is the mechanical device which keeps it balanced. There's an LED screen and all these controls, which this device connects very well with Canon equipment, which we use, including it's got an electronic follow focus, so you don't have to mess around with that manually anymore. Even the dog loves it, and it's supposed to work really well. So this is the battery charger and the batteries that come with it. You can charge all three at once, so that's nice. It comes with essentially a tripod, so you can mount it on the table, which is a nice thing. And it also comes with this cute little plastic pocketbook, which has all the different wires to adapt it to the different kinds of cameras. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge it up. It actually takes a little bit of setup to get this balanced with your camera so it's all ready to go, and then we'll take it outside and we'll do some side-by-side tests. We'll go run around handheld and we'll run around with the gimbal on it, and we'll see. I'll be able to show you the difference, what it brings to your images. So that's the basic camera. Let's look at some of the accessories that came with it, and then we'll take it outside and play with it. Let's start with the biggest accessory here that the beautiful blonde Miss Nicole got for our activities, mostly for her because she's the one who does most of the vlogging camera work. I just smile and look pretty. This one though, oh okay, so this is a handheld unit, probably best you can see in the picture here. This is what it looks like, so you can hold it with two hands to get an even more steady motion. The box includes the bar, which the handle sits in, and then these two handles, which go like this on either side, and you go like that, and it holds it super stable. It's a nice thing to have. And it's nice that it comes apart like this, so when we travel, it's not a giant piece. Let's see what else you got. All right, so here's the concept on this piece. You hold it like this. Let's say I'm focusing and vlogging while we're in Egypt. And you put this on here with the camera on top of it. And then you also still have another mount here to put either a light or a external microphone as well. All right, this is the last actual Zhiyun product that I'm going to open. We have one more aftermarket product. This one is more for you Sony and Nikon people out there where your camera won't integrate as well with their system and you need a manual follow focus device. Okay, here's the 2-second lesson on how this works. This gear fastens onto your lens on the focus ring. This will be attached to the gimbal, and it goes inside this gear. You can see how it's turning like that. And this will be electronically connected to the gimbal and the controls on the gimbal. So you will be able to, while holding the gimbal, focus in and focus out using the controls on the gimbal if your equipment doesn't happen to electronically sync with the gimbal. So here we are. It's kind of sunny out, but it is cold here in the Las Vegas desert, and we're gonna test out the Zhiyun Crane 2. So we're gonna test it both ways and do a little obstacle course and test it on the crane and do the same obstacle course with it, just handheld. So let's see how this goes. All right, so this is where we were going, up and down on the little course. That's what it looks like when handheld with the Zhiyun Crane 2. Hopefully it's nice and stable. Let's see how that looks. Ooh. Where we were going, up and down on the little course. Make sure, if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the little bell below so you get all the updates and so that YouTube likes us. I hope you enjoyed.
Thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We now have a Patreon page we hope you check out. We are also an Amazon affiliate, and all of the links are below, but tell us what we have.
Okay, so these are the key pieces that we have that shoot all of our videos. And I thought that it would be valuable to include the links in our Amazon program for you guys. We have the Mavic Air drone. We have the Canon 70x200L series lens. The Canon 5D Mark IV DSLR camera. We have a variety of GoPro cameras and the Mavic Pro 2, which we just got and is amazing, as well as recording equipment, Dell computers. We love those for our trips and editing. In any case, everything that goes through Patreon or the affiliate program goes to replacing this equipment as we travel the world, and
it takes a beating.
It all doesn't survive every trip. So it's really important if you can support us to support us that way.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks.